Welcome to LawnPro. This video will walk you through the basic, essential steps to get your account set up and running. LawnPro is designed to help you manage your lawn care business or other service-based company efficiently. Let's go through the most common steps to get your account configured. First, we will set up your company settings. This is where we add or edit the company information that your clients will see. This includes company name, owner first and last name, business phone number, mobile phone, and fax number. Then we enter our business address. We can also enter our tax ID, EIN, and license number. Additionally, we have the option to add our online presence, such as our website, Google local page, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Here we can customize our document appearance. We can configure how our invoices, estimates, and other documents appear. There are different selections available for us to choose from. We can upload our logo here. This will help brand all of our invoices, estimates, and communications with a professional look. This profile picture is for Lawn Bidder, and we will have another video dedicated to that. Once the settings are complete, we also want to edit our personal information. To do this, we go to the Resource tab, select Employees, find our login, and click the pencil icon. Here we can edit all of our employee information for ourselves. We can also add our team members in the same way. We go back to the employee page and click Add Employee. If our plan does not include more logins, we will need to purchase an additional employee login for $10 a month. When we add a new employee, a page will appear where we can enter all of the employee's information, including their status, title, first name, last name, birthday, hire date, and how we pay them, either hourly or using the other available options. We can also specify how much we pay. Here we enter their contact information and any internal notes we want to include about the employee. We can then enable their login and set their privileges according to what we want them to access. Once we have added our team, we can download the LawnPro app. The LawnPro app is available for iPhone and Android. This allows our team to view their schedule and log their time from the field. After our team is entered, if we want to use online payments, we will start the application for that now. To do this, we go to the gear. Select Setup and Manage Online Payments. If we have not applied yet, there will be a link to start the application. After we set up our online payments, we want to add the items and services that we are going to offer. We go to the Resource tab, choose Items and Services, and add them here. There is a full video available on how to add items and services. Before we create estimates, invoices, or schedule visits, we need to add our items and services. It is helpful to do this before adding customers and properties, especially if we want to assign these items and services to specific properties. Once we have entered our items and services, we want to add our customers. Adding customers is usually the most important step. We need to have customers in the system before we can send estimates, add visits to the calendar, or send invoices. To add customers, we go to the Customer tab, select Customers, and use the New Customer button. Here, we can enter a new customer manually or import customers. There is also another video on our channel about adding customers. Next, we want to add our properties. To do this, we go to the Customer tab and select Properties. Here we will see the green Add New Property button. Properties are our service locations. We want to add a property for each customer, even if it is the same address as their billing address. Now let's talk about how to get help if you need it. You can reach us 7 days a week, 365 days a year by using the green live chat button on the right side of any screen. We do our best to answer within minutes most days and are always glad to help. Here are some troubleshooting tips to help speed up the process if you run into any issues. First, make sure everything is up to date. Check that your LawnPro app, your mobile device's operating system, and your computer's web browser are all updated to the most recent versions. Updates usually include bug fixes that help your software run smoothly. Second, try clearing your cache. This can fix a variety of performance issues. In Google Chrome, you'll click the 3 vertical dots at the top right, then click More Tools, and then Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time as the time range. Click the boxes for cookies and other data, and cached images and files, then click Clear Data. Third, you can send support team screenshots. Screenshots help our team see exactly what you are seeing. Most devices can take screenshots, and there are helpful guides online for your specific device. When contacting support, it helps to let us know if you are using the desktop version or the app, what type of device you are on, when the issue started, and what you have already tried to fix it. We're here to help you succeed, so don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.